Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the here the teachers divided the students into two groups. So one is chasing group and another one is running group. Okay, and also here in this class we learning about the Coco rules. So and also how many innings are there in one game. After the game, teacher also taught the children's rules of the game with the help of the pictures and also okay. So here in this lesson, cultivate cooperation, mutual understanding, team spirit, obedience to rules, friendship, determination to reach the goal. So and also develop social relations and harmony. Okay. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay. In last class, we learned about the shape of the cocoa field and how many poles are there in cocoa field and how many squares are there in two poles and how many lines have been drawn between the two poles. So all these things we discussed in last class. Okay, just we recall. So students of 4th standard were brimming with joy. So they are waiting for teacher. The teacher told them that she would take them to the ground to play coco. The teacher took them to field and showed the coco field. So actually the actual picture of coco field, this is an actual picture of coco field. Okay, observe very carefully. So okay, here there are two poles are there and 8 squares are there. Okay, now let us see. The children went round the cocoa field. So after they come back, the teacher asked few questions. So see the cocoa field given in the picture and write the answer to the questions asked by the teacher. Okay. So what is the shape of the cocoa field? The shape of the cocoa field is in a rectangular shape. How many poles are there in cocoa field? So okay, this is one pole and this is another pole. So there are two poles are there in cocoa field. So how many squares are there in between the two poles? There are 8 squares are there in the two poles. Okay. So next, how many lines have been drawn between the poles? So there are totally 16 lines have been drawn between the two poles. Okay. So now the teacher made 24 members into two groups. One is running group and another one is chasing group or touching group. Okay, teacher formed two teams of 12 members each. So one team contains 12 members. So like that, teacher formed into two groups. So one is running team and the other one is chasing or touching team. Okay. Teacher formed two teams of 12 members each. Teacher formed two teams of 12 members each. One is running team and the other one is chasing team or touching team. Okay, here there are total 24 members. Okay, among the 24 members, so each group carrying 12 members. One group is running team and other group is chasing team or touching team. So after that, teacher also explained to them the rules of the game. Okay, so after dividing the groups, teacher explained the rules of the coco game and how it has to be played. Okay, so next you should know these rules. Okay, coco match has 2 innings. Okay, coco match has 2 innings. Each innings has running and touching rounds. So coco match has 2 innings. Each innings has running and touching rounds. Okay, so each round will be 7-minute duration. Each round will be 7-minute duration. Okay, a coco team consists of 12 players. Out of them, so 9 are players and 3 are extra players. Okay. A Coco team consists of 12 players. Out of the 12 players, 9 are players and 3 are extra players. So I will once again repeat it. The rules of the Coco game are: Coco match has 2 innings. So we will ask questions like this. So Coco match has how many innings? Coco match has 2 innings. Each innings has running and touching rounds. Each inning has running and touching rounds. So each round will be of 7-minute duration. Each round will be of 7-minute duration. So next, a Coco team consists of 12 players. So out of the 12 players, out of them 9 are players and 3 are extra players. Okay. So now that the students began to play with guidance of the teacher. So the students began to Coco play with the guidance of teacher. So look at the picture and write the way of playing the game. So this is a Coco field and the students are sitting in the Coco field and 3 are entering into the field. So and only one member is at the pole and 4 groups are sitting near the Coco field. Okay. So how many players are sitting inside the Coco field? Okay, there are 3 plus 3, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 8. There are 8 members are sitting in the Coco field. So how many players are standing at the post? Only one member. So how are the players sitting in the field? So the players sitting in the field, so in the order of opposite direction. Okay. So how many players are entering the field? There are 3 players are entering the field. So how many groups are sitting near the field? So there are 4 groups sitting near the field. How many members does each group have? So each group have 3 members. Okay. So I will once again repeat it. How many players are sitting inside the Coco field? So there are 8 members are sitting inside the Coco field. So how many players are standing at the poles? Only one member. So how are the players are sitting in the field? The players are sitting in the order of opposite direction. So how many players are entering the field? There are 3 players are entering the field. How many groups